Welcome back, guys.
Hi guys, as you can see on the lips of Surya, there is some coriander leaf.
It is coriander only, not anything other than that. So here Mr. Sudhanva is sitting as if he is the king of the jungle.
And here the Surya is sitting as he is the elephant of the jungle. So friends, we have ordered some, what you ordered?
So I ate nice one plate watermelon and one plate bundi
Bundi
masala.
masala without giving us.
Especially this person. The others did not ask. If he had asked, I would have given. If he had asked, I would have given.
But to give him just 1 second of stomach pain.
Why not
So that
we need?
Huh?
Why not we need?
If I allow him, he'll bring everything.
heavy
That's why.
consumer, bro.
That's
Supply and
why.
demand, bro.
That's why we shouldn't give this person
So guys,
anything.
because of the revenge
Behind you, your friend is there.
and money, because of that,
Yeah, she's his friend.
she was
From
my
school.
classmate. And the front girl or the short girl? So Sudhanva is changing the subject matter.
I mean, I'm not body shaming here. I'm just telling that against another
No,
partner.
no.
Try.
You was trying.
Brahmin only.
Yeah.
Want to try?
Don't keep the camera so close.
Hey, why
It's in wide mode,
It's-
so
ah.
it's not coming that much.
will not?
I mean,
Oh, so guy is insecure about his face.
no, not like that.
Then
it
why-
won't look good if you put.
That is called
good on
insecurity, right?
It's looking good on you, don't
It is looking good. Then fine.
जो प्राप्त है वो पर्याप्त है भाई.
Bye. आपको वीडियोग्राफी नहीं पता है. आप
वीडियोग्राफी को छोड़ना भाई.
नहीं.
तेरा
इस तरफ
कैरेक्टर
बोल रहा
बोल.
हूँ.
तू ज्यादा टेक्निकल मत जा. तू नॉन टेक्निकल गई है. हमारा सूर्या ही बता चुका है. हाँ.
मैं टेक्निकल हूँ. इस तरफ.
गांडू टेक्निकल.
नहीं नहीं.
Bro,
लेकिन
yesterday ACSC boys got YouTube recommendation. My Anna got YouTube recommendation. Full organic and inorganic, unorganic and inorganic. Full.
yeah, man, your friend is quite good.
Huh?
What is his name? Are you shooting in multicam?
Yeah.
Yeah, then good.
Hey, what man? Thinking man.
You ask Rajiv.
He codes her as friend. He don't know his name.
No.
So, he don't know her name.
I will never quote. I tell classmates. Yeah, Arshita.
Huh?
Arshita.
Harshika.
Arshita.
Harshita. Okay.
So guys, where is the
She lives near my house.
Acha, what kind of Brahmin is she?
Standard.
Madhu, I have seen her mother. She looks,
I mean, you can't tell like that, brother.
mostly
There
we
we
can tell.
can tell, but I will support
Yeah.
50-50.
Yeah. Nice. Okay.
It depends on individualistic character.
Yes.
How they look. Even if they are Brahmin, if they follow, they look. That's my opinion. If they don't follow, they
You know
might
one
not
thing?
look.
You'll be shocked.
What?
It'll be both of you will be shocked.
Tell me.
So
Hey,
Pradyumna
3.
isn't Madhva.
Then?
Pradyumna
Converted.
follows Madhva. He's actually Iyer because his father grew up around
Madhva
Uttaradi
culture.
Math. So he got indulged with the Mata. He actually understands what is going on with that. So he has adopted that.
He
And
means his father or he himself?
his father.
What about his grandfather?
They are all Iyers.
From there to like. There's no conversion in. Sorry. Oh guys, again, if we come here, Tushar should come to the vlog or call. So please.
Hello?
Hey, where is that man?
Hello?
You are telling me.
Hey, ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ busy ಇದೀನಿ camera.
I hope you, when I was vlogging, you didn't have a plate.
Okay. So tell guys what you did yesterday, you both, because you
Bro,
weren't in the vlog.
yesterday we went to Dheeraj's home. It is one of the best decisions Surya has ever made in his life. Yesterday I felt like, oh my god, this laptop,
Sudhanva's
with this
decision, no?
laptop, huh?
Sudhanva's decision.
Oh sorry, always Sudhanva's decision will be behind the curtains, friends. So please don't. I will give the credits later on in the year I will give. Written, directed by Sudhanva Rao. Sorry, Channapatna Venkatesh.
Hey,
Sorry,
okay.
your name will not fit in the screen.
That's why I cut short it into Sri Sudhanvara.
Yeah, that's right.
You can call him Sudhanshu Singh with love.
Yeah, there are multiple names for Sudhanva. CV. Have you told this in the vlog? No. CV Sudhanva Rao, that's the real name. Full name is Channapatna Venkatesha Sudhanva Rao. Second one is Sudhanshu Singh. This is a name kept by Honorable Srinivas M.A. Why?
Not him, man.
it was
No. I remember. He told Sudhanshu. The Singh, the subtle detail of Singh was added by Honorable Srinivas M.A.
Sudarshan by AI.
Yeah. YouTube AI only did that, Sudarshan. And you also tell some proxy.
I mean, the same faculty who kept my name as Sudhanshu has also called me as Sudarshan also.
Yeah.
Sudhanavu also.
Sudhanavu also. And
So he is the most uneducated teacher in the mechanical
And
department.
some faculty has also called me as Sudha also.
Sudha. Who?
Hanuman.
Same person.
Yeah.
ಅವನೇನಾ?
Also some, I guess when I was doing my Python thing, I'm still doing that thing.
Oh my God, bro. Crazy. Yes.
And the very first time,
వీడికి ఎంత వేసిండ్రు అంత?
there are many misinterpretations in my name.
I don't know. Why do you think Sudhanva this happens to your name? Maybe God is
Hey,
trying
this
to.
isn't very common, man. Actually, the thing is, it shouldn't happen.
Bro,
for his name.
Sudhanva name, I have never seen anybody misspell.
Yeah.
Sudhanva,
how can
Surya,
someone-
Aditya.
Yeah.
I mean, if I tell, it would become vivid.
Please tell.
It is all.
Please show yourself.
Yeah, that's why you have to not eat pan parag and eat, smoke cigarettes and sex and all of these things. It's not
It's
good
not
for...
cigarettes and sex. It is cigarettes after sex.
I know, man. I'm telling cigarettes and sex.
Guys,
Oh, okay.
that's
Hey,
not
no.
that was not my interpretation. What I mean
Please
is,
tell, please.
my name is very Sanskrit name.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and it has very syllables in it. It has Alpa Prana, it has Mahaprana, it has Vatakshara. So, people who are not familiar with these kind of hard words mispronounce it. Who don't have exposure to all the Sanskrit verses. I guess you
Even
understand
if
what
they
I'm
don't
telling.
have Sanskrit
Okay.
exposure, they should have great Kannada exposure. Actually.
At least talking expert.
Yeah.
ಕೊಡ ಕೈಯೇ.
What they also think
ಕೆಳಗಿಂದ
is,
ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
as soon as they see SUD, they misinterpret it as Sudarshan, Sudhanavu. They don't read it. That is called in Kannada called Kurudpata. They do Kurudpata.
Yeah,
Just like Mr. Vineet.
they just in what I do.
You do a lot of Kurudpata Tikamuch constantly.
Hey, that is lack of interest.
So that's the thing.
That's not Kudupata.
Don't be Kurudpatish. No.
Be an understanding.
See guys, this
Have
is the
some
revenge
consciousness in
Buddha
you.
he'll
Yeah,
give to
you-
Surya. Only smell we will give to him.
After 10-15 years, maybe whole Karnataka will know my name. Pronouncing properly.
As the biggest rapist of the country. Hey, illa man.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳ.
Nice. Yeah.
Hey. Okay, go.
I mean, you can focus.
So guys, we had ordered around 8 minutes ago. But as there were many girls, boys, teachers,
People.
we had, the demand was more for the uncle.
I was trying to do something, but it is
Sorry guys, it can't
possible.
There was a camera angle snap.
Issue. So, Mr. Sudhanma, when are you planning to submit your retransfer assignment?
Monday maybe.
How much are you? Hey.
Sudhanva Rao,
RCB.
you are hungry.
Ako.
See guys, even I am very human, I am giving to Sudhanva Rao.
Hey, play that song.
What?
Ako something real song. I'll put on nice thing.
So guys,
Copyright
actually,
Hey, no.
When politicians give them, they act like we need.
what? In politician?
Give something out of their money.
Oh, what is this brand?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಗಿ ಅಂಜಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ.
Oh guys, today I
Sorry viewers for feeling you awkward.
So guys, today I had a dream. Hey, wait man.
That's why I found a song
no.
which is not directly sung by the singer. It was
Focus, focus.
Yeah, that.
Hey, reverse focus.
We had a dream on what?
Okay.
I had a dream.
Yeah. To new budding YouTubers, if you wanna use copyrighted songs, try their karaoke version. But if some people have already the same music label has uploaded a karaoke version also, it might again give you copyright strike. So what I tell you to do is
Someone
Please
who,
sing it yourself, guys.
that's the best thing you can do.
but if you sing like him, you can't put it.
Sing like.
Sing one song.
Or go to some Instagram singers. who
That's
have
what I did now.
sung, and you play that song.
You sing
They
that
also get visibility. You also get visibility.
Yeah.
Win-win
We'll show that
situation.
girl, okay?
Please go.
So yeah, this is the girl.
Show me, guys.
I mean, here, I don't know why, but it sounds too much melody for me. In Kannada, there's a singer named Sunidhi Ganesh. Man, she sings more like, what is her name?
Shreya Ghoshal.
Shreya Ghoshal than Shreya Ghoshal. Check out her Instagram page. She sings too good. Now she has been debuted to Kannada playback singing more than 3 to 4 films. She has already sang. Her voice is too good.
Even I feel that.
Bro has some personal issues with Shreya Ghoshal.
No. Why
Hey,
will
that's
I?
for fun, guys. Hashtag fun, guys.
See, you guys will cut this short and put, and then who knows what will happen.
Hey, nothing cut will do.
We have seen in many media, I think, right?
No, guys, we will not do
We are
that.
not media like you. We are different
We are
media.
different media. We are Henry Media followers.
Actually, there is a Instagram page called Henry.
I know. I
And
follow.
Mr. Dheeraj is a very big fan of it. He'll be he'll keep sending me reels from Henry
There is
Media.
a crazy.
Hey, you come in the middle of.
Bro, I'm hungry. Let's eat, na.
Wait,
we'll go
man.
to-
I'm hungry,
Class.
bro.
We'll go to
Wait,
class.
man.
Hey,
What? Wait.
Go wait.
Canteen.
For morning, I'm
Eat and
doing
come.
fast.
I also broke fast only half an hour back.
Oh my
Then, come.
God. Let's go, guys.
Wait.
See, guys.
2 minutes.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
wait.
2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗೋಣ
14 minutes. 15
ಅಲ್ಲ
minutes.
ಜರ್ನಿಲೇ ಇರೋಣ ಬಾರೋ.
Now let's go.
ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗು,
ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ
continue
ಹೋಗೋಣ
ಹೋಗು.
ನಾನು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿನ್ನೋಣ ಬಾ.
ಲೋ, ಗಾಡಿ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ.
ಡಬ್ಬಿ ತಂದಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹ್ಮ್.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಡಬ್ಬಿ?
ಗಾಡಿ
ಇದೆ.
ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಇದೇ ಇದು.
ನಿಂಗೆ ತೆಗಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ರು ಇವಾಗ.
ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ತಿನ್ನೋಣ ಬಾ.
ಇವಾಗ
ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ
ತಿಂತೀರೋ
ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
ನೀನ್
ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀನ್ ತೆಗಿತೀಯ ಇಲ್ಲೇ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ತಿನ್ನೋಣ ಬಾ.
This is actually wise decision. Let's go.
What? I did
Voice.
not understand.
Why to sit here? We'll go there.
Uncle,
We'll have so much
ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು?
freedom.
ಅಂಕಲ್ ನಂದೇಳಿ ಇವ್ರದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ ನಂಗೆ. ವಾಟರ್ ಮೆಲನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೂಂದಿ 50 rupees.
So guys,
Okay,
this is
Kova
the.
from my side, okay?
This is the.
You want Kova?
Yeah.
I'll sponsor Kova.
Kova.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, give. Hey, I don't want Kova. This Jahangir.
You ask whatever
Sorry, Badshah.
you'll never tell.
So guys, I forgot the names of the Mughal kings. So
Uncle,
guys,
one Badusha, ಆಮೇಲೆ
in India this is only happening. The difference between rich and poor is so much increasing.
20 plus 50,
Who told you?
70 rupees ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Simply telling me.
Bro, I saw in
Uncle 70 ಆಗಿದೆ.
WhatsApp forward. So please don't trust me for any information. Trust me only for enjoyment.
Yeah.
Okay. So many
Hey, open
teachers
my-
are coming.
It's okay, we'll leave.
ಕ್ಯಾಂಟೀನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಊಟ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ
ನಾನು ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ.
Hey, Badshah. So guys, there's a teacher entry.
Open man, open.
This is happening. Hey,
ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್
Shagir,
Hey, open
thank you.
ಇದೆಯಾ
Bro.
ಅದು? Uncle ಅದು open
So
ಇದೆ,
guys,
ಆ box.
this is the Badshah.
ಆ box. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದೆ open ಇದೆ. This is for TV Sudanma Rao. This is for Dheeraj Verma.
ನಿಪ್ಪಟ್ಟು ಮಸಾಲೆ ಅಂತ
Love from Surya. No.
Close man, close. Mr. Nataraj sir and Mr. Kumaraswamy sir are on their way going for camping. Mr. Venice is getting scared
Why?
because seeing Kumaraswamy sir.
Hey, I'm not scared of him. I am irritated of him, bro.
Why was he acting weird yesterday?
Oh, which class?
Invitation. You were there, na?
Yesterday, day before, right?
So guys, there's a interesting coincidence. Is our sir phone and my phone is same.
Pizza. Nice coincidence.
Hey, Motorola, bro. That's the guy. That's the enough of technicality, bro. Similar guys. Okay.
So tell what you did in Chickpet yesterday.
I went to one of the lane in Chickpete
Wow.
where my father had given fan for winding. I took back, paid money and came back. In front of that there was very nice bhaji angdi. It was raining and bhaji was preparing. I thought to buy. By the time I was going, I thought like but I didn't buy and I went back to home.
This shows his dedication towards eating.
No, it rained. But before I left,
Hey, you are.
I was waiting in
He's
the
visible.
Can I ask you a question? For that fan binding,
fan winding.
Winding.
Fan
sorry. You
Come,
could have
let's go.
only done, huh?
No.
It is very
requires,
tough,
It requires a machine.
Specific machine.
Oh,
Which
full,
tightly it has to be wound.
How much does it cost to wind the fan?
It's all trade secret. We don't tell you.
Hey, you tell me in my ear.
Hey, yeah, here also.
Here you tell. Micah will keep.
We charge 700 rupees for winding. That's what we did.
Nice.
For new fan, it costs 2.5 to 3K. Okay, for rewinding, it costs we take 700 rupees.
So you get it for 50%, 350 rupees.
I think that's
So guys,
So you have tried
As you can-
ganja in India, no?
hey,
You have tried? No, you haven't even
you
tried.
tried Musranna, you eaten? Oh, you eaten.
What are you talking?
You have eaten, huh?
Yeah, written.
No, not masrana. Ganja you have eaten, huh? You have tried. You want to try?
ಮೊಸರನ್ನ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಂದೆ ಆಯ್ತು.
No, you want to try ganja?
No. Packet ಒಳಗಡೆ
That is a very wise decision.
Oh.
Give your hand. Wise decision.
Yeah.
Hey, Devarsi man.
So ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ.
Come, we'll go.
Electric.
Come man, we'll go.
Come.
So,
Go.
now we are going to canteen because
Hey, canteen is not necessary. Yes, dabbi, I have dabbi.
he does not have the beer. I also does not.
Hey, my dabbi is in my gadi. So guys, we are going to my
Dheeraj, have you come in Gadi or have you come in bus? Did you take anything? Oh, that's waiting. So guys, you can see the watermelon over here. It's looking very nice.
Please
Red.
invert the camera. They will have
Then fresh.
They can have more.
Yeah, they can. Bye, uncle.
So our good uncle, he gave a good
Tasty
masala.
meal.
But,
Chips masala,
uncle
alla,
gave-
nipat masala.
Hey, sorry. Nipat masala. Sorry. Hey, the
Chips ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ.
chips is shortage, man.
Bring your
Nipat
own chips
masala.
packet. Do it in.
BYOB you can do.
Yeah.
You can do BYOB with uncle. Uncle is very kind-hearted.
Humble, kind-hearted,
Yeah.
realistic, practical,
Hmm.
and so much experience.
Unlike our uncle has done so much work, okay? Uncle was into tailoring. Uncle was a tailor after his 10th
Who is
grade.
this?
Wait, after this he was a painter it seems.
Yeah,
At that time when he was young, he fell down from
third floor.
6th floor I guess.
Third floor, I remember.
Okay,
Third.
third floor and then he had
See,
broken
guys.
his backbone.
You need iron will to recover from injury from where you have fell from.
Almost
Maybe
if you consider
third
each floor 10 feet, it's 30 feet roughly. And if it's external painting,
Yeah, it's for it maybe 45 to 50 feet also. It depends.
yeah, it depends on again what type of building it was.
Yeah.
Let us not concentrate on that. We'll consider
But
somewhere around
we'll-
30 to 35 feet
The moral of the story is
Willpower.
have iron will.
is greater than bank power.
Nice, bro. So as you know, guys, our Surya
Where are we going?
to take my lunch box. So guys,
Just not bought the bee. What can I do?
not brought up.
Just not bought the bee from the Gadi.
Oh yeah. I thought we will take in the lunchtime, guys. Sorry. So guys, this is our crazy boys energy for one dabbi. We are 4 people are going.
So guys, energy can neither be created nor
Energy.
be destroyed. Energy can neither be created nor be destroyed.
So
Now we took the energy into our body.
Now
Now
we
that is,
destroy.
yeah, we are not destroying it. We are consuming it.
We'll destroy it by consuming.
So this shows that Dheeraj is
a new technology, stomach activated clutch is
Ah.
here.
that is Saman activated clutch. So this is
Actually, I like that color of Classic 350. I'm seeing it in real for first time. Please show it.
yeah, it's a very nice color scheme.
So
Mr. Vinod is back. Hi guys, welcome back, Mr. Vinod and Akhil.
wear your headphones.
Oi, oi, oi,
Bro, you have already one iPhone. Why are you vlogging with this phone?
bro. iPhone.
Anyhow, the video quality of that phone is way
The
better.
thing is, iPhone storage is less, only 128 GB. One issue.
Okay.
Second issue, I can't transfer it from iPhone to other phones very easily.
So I would like to request Mr. Surya BS. We have a lot of machine design record. Machine design record. We need to write 4 experiments are there.
More
Kindly.
submission.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do it. No problem.
ಹೌದು ನಮ್ದು ಹೀಟ್ ಐತೆ.
This helmet looks very nice on Vinny's head. ಗುರುಜಿ ನೀನು
Akhil Pujari is one of the most positive persons I've ever met.
UP board ನಂದ ಗಾಡಿ.
He is the negative person, most negative person I've ever met. So what I have through elders,
ನಾನಂತ ಹೆಂಗ
Wisdom.
ಏನ್ ಟಾಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಇಡೀ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಡಾಲರ್
hey, no, there's another.
ಮಾಡೋ
Yeah, he's little bit. He's little bit. Kinchit.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ ಸುಧಾನ್
It doesn't matter if you win by a mile or a feet. Yes. A win is a win.
ಓಕೆ ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. Hey, is this e-transfer ಗಾಡಿ? This one.
No, bro. He parks
ಹಾ.
there.
ಅವ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಯಾವ ಮೀಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು? ಹೋಗೋಣ. So, hi to
There is
Mr.
one
Arun.
guy who is going to pick up.
Say hi on the camera. This is going on YouTube.
YouTube.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ?
Yake means we are vlogging, bro.
Yeah, going on YouTube. So you are leaving for your home?
So guys, please don't wear ID card like this.
He lives in top sector land. That's why his ID card is top sector. If you know what is top sector land.
I don't know.
You know.
I don't know.
So all CBSE folks know.
Hey, we need to bring back our length of the videos to 45 minutes, man.
Why? Let it be 1 hour.
Let it be 1 hour. And what is the issue?
So to people who don't know what is top sector land, so I guess in 5th or 6th we CBSE English textbook had a lesson named top sector land, where the entire city is
Inverted.
reciprocal. Okay. That's why I mentioned.
Guys, even we had a lesson. Mr. Vinit would have forgotten.
What?
Day and night in Ultapur.
I don't know.
It was there in English. I
So
forgot
guys,
his
I have
sixth
studied
name.
in ICSE.
Hey, 8, 9, 10, 10th man it was.
He told 6th standard, right?
Yeah, even I don't know. I mean, I guess I skipped that
It
lesson.
is 5th or 6th, I don't remember.
But it is 100% sure that it's 5th or 6th.
Yeah.
Okay, come to Potters.
Why?
We'll eat, no?
He doesn't have lunch box.
Oh, sorry guys.
How
Sorry.
much time we should tell you?
So Mr. Vinit is a very iterative person.
Yeah,
He
guys.
keeps on asking the same question again and again.
Yeah. So guys, search until you don't have answer.
Nice hurt by uncle.
So guys, group
So
of 3
Mr.
I know
Vinod,
that.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ನವ್ತಿಲ್ವ ಇವತ್ತು ಯಾಕೋ
You are
ಅಂಕಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಟುಕ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ
why?
Yeah.
ನಂದು ವಿಸ್ಡಮ್ ಟೂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು
As I told you, it is from class 5 itself. I remember it very well. Class 5.
Nice.
ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ MSM? MSM what was there?
Material science and machining science and
Tell one module name. Tell one module name.
Machining science,
Tell one question.
That's the beauty of engineering.
Wow, that's the beauty of our schooling. That's it.
I mean, machining science and yeah.
Okay, your
abrasive jet machining.
No, it was
That
there
is
in
in
NTM.
NTM, bro. Ah.
We go this side, man. I have a fear
What here?
of these people.
Hey, people of furniture.
Hey, that is in.
Hey, you shut up, man. You have not cleared MSM yet.
Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry to all the mechanical engineering community.
And I mean, all the thing what we saw in railway factory was in my MSN.
Actually, everything what we have studied until now was there. NTM was not there.
MSN was there, bro.
NTM would have also
MP is
would be
there.
there.
MP is there,
NTM also would be there. I feel.
Yeah, that we are not allowed, right? Yeah. What we saw with limited knowledge, we are telling guys. So please.
Naya Shetty.
Hmm.
Beautiful guys.
Bro, where is that girl who is
Actually, we have
who
more
is stolen the art of Pradyuman?
than
I will search her.
Yeah.
There.
these guys don't have.
I know. It is not that.
The girl who went quiet too. Oh.
Guys, I'm so much focused in the vlog that friendship over girls, guys. Hrushikesh Kulkarni is in my home. He's in my record, bro. So guys, Hrushikesh bro. Huh? So guys, say hi to, see in the camera. Say hi to Kushal.
This is going on YouTube.
Delete ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ.
No, unlimited. No cut.
ಈಗ ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ
Ra content.
Oh, say hi to Shankar.
Shankar, hi. You are going home alone?
bro.
You come, we'll have some food, we'll enjoy and we'll go. What again, bro? Friendship increases.
Hi guys,
while going
this is
on.
Surya Vodka.
Vodka King, yeah.
Vodka King.
Hey,
Vodka.
please, I
Day
saved
after
your
today,
life. Please,
we will call him also.
acknowledgement here. Go, go.
He is called by. He'll fuck Bangalore girls.
So guys, there are many rumors about Surya. Please ignore that.
Bye, bye, bye. Mr. Vinod, when are you buying me a new bottle? Today?
Yes sir, water bottle bro.
Come, we'll go in 10 minutes. So guys, as you know, some time back, some 2-3 days back, actually, I got a new bottle, but Mr. Vinod lost it. Unfortunately,
By mistakenly I lost it.
that is called mistake.
Lost means it is by mistake.
Yeah,
Mistake.
if you threw it away, then it's not a mistake. Then that is Durankara.
That is called as Durankara.
Yeah,
Just like one professor in your college.
tell me in my ear. Tell me in
From
ear.
my village.
Oh yeah,
You get that.
Very
From my
Ganchali
village.
nan maga.
Without any knowledge.
Hey, did you call Mr. Srinivas? He did not pick.
No, he picked.
What is his issue?
Issue nothing. They didn't have the right communication of where they were. They wanted to meet. So now they got the communication through Airtel and me myself. I hope I gave you the toothpick.
Yeah, I threw it also. Lightly. Purpose salt. There is acute shortage of
Taste in the
space in the canteen.
facility of
There are some people have kept their bags. You can actually throw it away, but Mr. Vinit has some
as some
ethics.
Oh ho ho. Sorry guys, ethics in my life. Guy, this table is actually free. Take that chair, please. Take that chair. Take that chair. But I want to go.
You want the chair? Thank you.
So guys,
Yeah, this is mine. Hey. So we'll be stopping the vlog for now because we'll be eating. Afterwards, we'll be going to Decathlon and continuing with the vlog. Bye.
So guys, now we are going to the Anubhava. So those who don't know the Anubhava
It's an experience.
experience, this
Hey,
is
old man.
Decathlon Anubhava, the largest
Old man.
Decathlon store in Karnataka, I guess. Somewhere it is largest in this top 5 largest Decathlon store in India. To be honest, it's not Decathlon, it is Decathlon. Please show the Kannada. So guys, there is a what do you call it?
Now I'll transfer it to our dear Dheeraj.
No, carry on.
What, man?
Hi guys, welcome to Decathlon.
Please show
Why are you
the
showing
field,
legs?
basketball field.
This is the basketball field, and the next one's the
So
football
those who
field.
don't know about this slope, this is a slope made for the
Physically challenged.
differently able people who
Yeah.
wants to use their wheelchair and come to the store.
Come to the store. Yeah.
So guys, this is the entrance of the store.
The entrance of the Decathlon store.
Decathlon Anubhava. Please show that.
Coming to Decathlon Anubhava.
So guys, we have come. 4 people have come for taking 2 bottles. So that is half a bottle for each person. Hey, which bottle, man? This is
No,
199,
that
right?
Between.
This is also 100.
100. Ah, okay. Hey, no, this
Here
is
are some
not
really good
comfortable.
t-shirts, pants.
Guys, I'll give you a motivation talk. Be so rich that every month you can come to Decathlon and buy stuff. Water bottle.
Do it without being rich now, man.
All products. All products.
ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಪ್ರತಿ ಮಂತ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಟಲ್
Not only
All types
100
of water
rupees
bottle. Hey, this is nice, man. Oh, you see this
guys,
spandex.
this material is very very good.
So guys, this is made for airflow between the air and the
Made for airflow between air and flow. Hey, what is it?
Pant.
Pant.
Air and also.
So guys, if we come to Decathlon Anubhava, Sudhanva will become a new type of person. I actually really love that. Hey bro, you see the... Please guys, if anybody wants to sponsor the video, I have a wish list. Please come here.
Yeah, even I have.
And you go to Surya.
Which one we saw Sudhanva that day? 3,500 or 2,500 one? 2,000 odd, huh? But this one, right? Right,
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೇರು ಯಾವುದೋ ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Bro, how much for this? This one is 15,000.
If we take this, no home requirement only.
Yeah.
Hey, I can actually put this on my terrace. It will be very nice.
Terrace, bro.
This is what I told.
Surya is an entrepreneur.
If your father sends you out of your house, you live in your terrace.
Is that out?
Terrace is also in your house.
No, you don't go in the house.
Hey, how much
can he
weight
reach
this
without ladder? Hey, how much is
Hey, this is also good enough.
Only home is comfortable.
110 kgs, this will... I'm not 110. So this will work
Surya
out.
BS is 110 kg.
First time I am feeling like buying this.
What the fuck? First time you are feeling that? Wow.
But for me, if I feel, I will buy. Not like you feeling from one
Bro,
6
it is
months.
your money, bro. Mine is my father's money. Am I right? That's the major difference.
But my father needs to agree for keeping this.
Did
I'll ask. Most probably he'll agree.
Your father is engineer.
He'll agree most probably.
My
Hey,
father-
this can be zipped, right? Full proper room.
Obviously, bro. What if you are...
Hey, I'll talk with my dad.
Hey man, if you take this,
I'll not give.
why?
Hey, no way.
You don't give me.
You come.
While we are going for trip, you take it.
No, no, no.
You tell me. Will become Raghuvaran BTech.
No, who is Raghuvaran?
Raghuvaran BTech ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ VIP.
I am Surya BTech.
Hey, the
BE, yeah. Okay, come, let's go.
wait.
Hey, please, come, guys.
Relax. Otherwise,
Hey, what is this called? Base
going for
shelter.
trip, you bring this man. Why not?
This is fixed for terrace.
Hey, idiot! While after coming from trip, you put it.
No,
in.
man.
What you will put it here?
But even if I have this, I was thinking of how electricity supply. You have any idea for this?
Or the inside the
Inside this.
for fan.
If I keep it in my terrace, fan, okay, no problem.
one big battery, bro.
That's it.
How much for the battery?
4 to 5 cans.
How much it will supply electricity?
For 8 hours.
8
For
hours.
how many?
One light, one small fan.
How many days it will come?
8 hours, man.
Recharge.
That only the life of the battery. What is the life?
Leaf of the battery, same as car.
Come, guys. Come. If we stay too much, it will not be nice. Come.
Have you seen that?
Okay, come. You can talk while coming now.
You see that?
How do you compare it to the tents?
Oh.
Hey, into the tent and the hey idiot! It's
Tent bed.
This is the Hey, that was Hey, Surya, come here. You see this? This is very practical. I will
Yeah.
go to. I will take this. My father is now quite upset with my performance and activities, guys. So I will. Hey, come man, we'll have a.
Hey, please. Later we'll come.
2 minutes you come. Just come and feel.
Hey, felt, man.
Don't do like this.
What?
Explicit content.
See, bro, guys, come
Yeah.
here.
Kalli?
Hey, come here, man. You hear what is done? Come here.
Wait, man. Like this only I'm seeing. Not practical for me.
Bro, if you go to trip and all.
For you it is practical,
Why?
not me. This is practical for me to keep on terrace. I'll get one extra room.
Room.
For what?
I have 5 rooms. My brother is there now. I'll give him my room. I'll
You
shift to
next year
this.
send him to out of the state. Yeah, man, you're
No
inviting.
way, man. No way.
Hey, you will get new experience, man.
No, man.
Why?
I did not get no.
I hope he doesn't. Huh?
Don't tell me.
Sorry, bro. Sorry,
Hey,
guys.
where this?
I did not mean it from artfully. But
One more bag you'll get.
Papa, I feel him. But I also Papa here.
One more bag you're taking.
Hey, what can your supplier you become? Take some 50 rupees for each bag and you become.
You're
rich.
taking one more bag or what?
Yeah, I'll take.
$600 for whole kitta. Hey, nice, bro. Oh, 1,600.
Yeah, bro. Same price will happen if we take
Separately also.
separately.
Okay, cool.
Hey, where is that guy?
He'll come. He's talking with his parents for sponsorship.
So guys, this is my. This was my favorite section. They used to keep the shorts, pants, and all here.
So yeah, guys, this is
So
the
guys,
main section.
I love this shirt. Costly also.
How much?
2,500.
Not worth it.
Worth it, but see
Not
the
worth
aesthetics,
it.
bro. Aesthetics is nice. Hey.
Wow.
Hey, oh, bro, this is also nice.
Oh, waste bag, waste ticket.
Yeah. Bro, my father needs this one actually. He was asking that day.
Take them.
Hey, here's some.
Hey man, this is there, 399.
Ah, it's there, ah.
Nice quality, man. Sweet
No,
quality.
man.
Hey, will it fit
Hey,
for me?
Mario, it's issue, man.
Hey,
This was there, ah. Bro. I also wait. I will.
Yeah, you ask man. So you take for now. I sponsor if you want.
Okay,
Go
okay.
home and send it. Not in
How much is it? 390.
400.
At all.
Yeah, bro. See, however, if you
Is there
get
any
leather belt,
size is there? Obviously, I wanted to buy this from so long. So please keep it here.
filter, filter.
Yeah, that's why I'm taking. If I take only.
Yes. Take
So
two.
guys,
I and
who
Vinny.
this Visala.
So guys, Mr. Dheeraj is playing with the. Hey, keep it, man. Can you see anything?
Ah.
That is what is my life without you. So guys, joke. Don't take negative opinion about me.
Alright, there will be many affairs.
Nice belt.
Hey, see for any issues.
You see. However, you are good in quality checking.
I can find potential in Mr. Dheeraj, please handle the chart. So guys, it's an interesting shopping experience.
Yeah, we took two belts unknowingly.
No, it's not unknowingly.
It was on our plan, but we were actually planning for. No man, we were actually planning for this one now.
Yeah, the cliff climbers.
Yeah, cliff climbers. Actually, I had seen one from your Aero Armor as well.
Yeah. It's a bit costly, friend. So
Aero Armor is now deployed, right?
Actually, this also actually fine for my father. How much is
600.
this? 600. Then 1000 if you put that only will come.
Hey, there actually. However, your father wears belt or he doesn't wear.
He wears sometimes, he doesn't wear sometimes.
Then this is only this. Hey, you take like mine, American Tourister. You can use it like sling as well as
So kindly share the new colors has arrived, friends.
nice colors in chadis, but too expensive.
Jatak.
Hey, this one. No?
Bro,
I thought this one.
People say it's only expensive, but it's worth it
I thought
actually.
this one.
Not this one, bro. This
This
one.
is not worth. I feel.
Yeah.
This is worth. Yeah. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. If you take off
I have
7, 8 colors. If you take off.
Bro, 600
Six.
too much, bro.
Hey,
Yeah, bro. Hey, before it was 400.
Hey, 500.
Hey, 400 also.
400.
Before. Hey, while I was in 10th standard.
Hey, 5, 3,
But it will come for 400.
3,000 it
50
seems.
more.
3 kachas 1,000 it seems. XYXX will only come 5 kachas 1,000 rupees. This is from the movie Rama Shama Vama. He is a copier of movies. So, see guys, these types of stuff are not worth it. This is worth it. This is nice pant. My dad owns
These
wears
are.
it. Even this one is
Hey,
nice.
no, bro. 1000 rupees for this.
No bro, not worth it.
No craze.
Hey, this pant is nice.
Hey.
My mother has this one. I
This,
know. It looks nice. Even this is nice.
This is unisex, huh?
I guess. Hey, this is also. I guess it's worth it.
I have this.
Hey, this is new one. No, you got it already.
I have this. I have that.
Hey, this is our pant only. The price cut they have done.
Yeah.
What the fuck, man? I paid 1,000 rupees. New colors have been introduced. Hey, no, ours is 1,000 only. Still,
This is lovely.
This is mine.
this Vinita's
This
my
is
house.
mine then.
This one I have it in my home. This guy's.
Please don't wear, otherwise it will
However,
graduate from S to XL.
I have this one. Oh, this one is nice. Hey, we'll get this one and this one and this one. Nice price, bro. 800.
So guys, please don't
Hey,
purchase this.
600 ah.
Yeah, though. No, please don't purchase
This is also comfortable only. man.
This is comfortable, but those who have bigger calves, for those I am telling,
Ah,
my Anna's
friend,
calf got a
pant had to be torn off.
so that was a very inconvenient experience.
So if Decathlon by chance, by mistake, if you see it in the vlog,
Hey, let's have some important things.
yeah.
So guys, please hydrate yourself. with
Hey,
water.
keep it on cold, bro.
Hey, normal water is most thirst quenching than.
Take two.
Oh, finally we came to our section.
You take one red and one green. We don't cut and
Sorry.
drink.
I was
Public you are.
sorry guys,
Ah.
sorry.
Don't cut and drink. If you cut and drink, take that lota to your home. However you like to thief, no.
No man, I don't think.
It's not thief, bro. It's theft. He's a very good person. Hey, old man, calling back.
Sorry guys, little bit clumsy. So guys, please don't consume cold water. It doesn't quench thirst as good as normal water or cool water.
It's only cool. Yeah, it's only cool. Touch.
This is not cool, this is cold. If this kind
See
of
the
stuff
surface.
will come,
See the
this-
surface, you'll get to know whether it is
If you
cool or
Getting
cold.
frost.
If you drink in Madke, will this come?
No.
Then
That is
that is cool. Please listen to your grandmother's plan. I also
Switch the camera.
little bit gas friends.
Even though he eats like a bastard, he'll still.
No friends, these guys doesn't fulfill my stomach when I ask them for food. So Sudhanva is also joining our
My fourth bag.
fourth mine, you are for you only.
My fourth bag.
What?
This t-shirt.
No, I have that kind of shorts.
I
How
have
much is
one,
it? 600.
One, I guess it is 7 liters bag which can be rolled up and keep it in pocket. I have one that, and I have one normal.
Hey, this is not worth, bro. 599, not at all worth. 599.
600. Don't see here. See here. This
Come.
idiot also doing it. Say, hey, come man, Sudhanva Rao.
Yeah, but some people will misplace the.
Hey, why one red, one green? Why not green?
Become same, no, that's why. Dheeraj, you are planning to buy skins. What was your decision on that?
It will be a late.
He
It will
thought
be late.
being like Puneet is sometimes good.
ಅದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಐತೆ 110 rupees.
Nice. Hey, go that side, man. You want me to show your.
Okay guys, let's go. I want
Hey,
to see the
bestseller.
jersey.
What is the price? 899 for the jersey.
900.
Other jerseys? Hey, sale is there, no man. This will be cheap.
hate this color scheme.
It's your problem, man. People will like
Don't
this
know
one
why, but
also.
you hate. How?
Please justify your hair.
Hey, actually, there is this one thing, Mr. Dheeraj.
I think
People start
for
hating.
Vinith, this should suit for Vinith.
Hey, it will be very nice. Vinith, you look very hot. Huh? People start hating without any reason.
Yeah, that happens.
You are also doing it.
Hey, even I have it.
Don't wanna.
Disclose it.
Then why
So
did
the
you say I
thing
don't
is,
know
his
why?
ex-girlfriend actually liked that color. That's why he hates.
Then why did you mention I don't know why?
Simply to give you some
Loop for the video.
Okay guys.
retention rate we should have now. We have retention customers, then our answer will have we can read full answer.
Attention, you are TKM ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Okay, don't put shoot now. Come.
So, I miss you. In our childhood, what we used to do. Please subscribe our channel if you are not.
Are you very self-centric? Why can't you switch the camera?
Yeah, I can.
Okay guys, please don't target anyone. Come let's visit next time please.
Yeah, yes.
Tennis.
Hey, each section we visit every time we come.
So guys, this is the roll net of. Hey wait please. Hey, this I have seen.
Come.
Hey, but this is small.
So guys, I and Sudhanva are already on the. Please be comfortable. So guys, now we are playing some TT.
Hey, please be comfortable.
I like this. I want.
Can I get the
Okay,
RCB
you are
cap?
correct.
No, how can I?
We are playing so I can focus.
Here is a tennis court.
Okay, tennis.
Wow. So guys, this is the tennis court. It looks very nice.
So, I want
I
to tell
guess
the
we can
people,
go in-
hey,
oh,
hey,
you
hey,
restricted, huh?
please see.
Sorry guys, sorry.
Be mannerful, okay?
I did not see.
So guys, I would like to correct this. This is not a tennis court. This is a
Squash.
Pickleball.
pickleball court.
Yeah, okay. My bad, sorry.
Someone told tennis. I also decided. Someone is Mr.
So
Dheeraj.
guys,
Sorry.
we are looking forward to go to pickleball someday.
Yeah, we'll go.
We'll go.
It's cheap in Bangalore.
It is 150 rupees per hour, just like badminton, same prices. So
Badminton is more expensive.
actually, yes.
So this court is 6,000. This court cost like
So guys, little bit skill is
1,000.
needed.
Lot of skill is needed.
ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಯ್ತು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
My psychology is going there. also.
mine too.
See. Okay, guys, focus. Okay, continue. Even if that happens, you nothing. Just adjust to the pillar.
I guess I and Mr. Dheeraj will be exploring. Oh yeah, I.
So I like to request.
Mr. Vineet is gay.
I would like to request Surya and Dheeraj to play a round of small TT. So guys,
Don't think what you thought.
hey no, I didn't think that.
No, I didn't. I'm not.
Here it is small TT. Oh, okay.
Okay,
Okay. So viewers, please. Oh, sorry guys. The battle of the whites, guys. So NBA level coverage I am giving, guys. Please adjust. So Dheeraj is. Hey, they will wear. Yeah.
I guess what will be wearing that chedi?
Huh?
For what will be wearing that chedi?
I mean, I've
what
seen-
is covering it?
So feminists,
Here,
please don't invade our video with your
Actually-
comments.
I mean, I don't want to. Bro, it was. No, but
Please, yeah, why you don't want to express? If you don't want to express, why are you vlogging?
what I told.
You told you I don't want to express something like that.
Can you tell something what I forgot?
Then that is fine.
With that thing.
See, I'll be very honest with what I'm telling. I'm not telling that you shouldn't wear that or you shouldn't have those kind of things in your store. What I'm saying is, what is the purpose of wearing that?
Bro,
Ah,
shall I tell you that? I know that. I have asked this question. Take
yeah,
this.
why?
Oh,
You-
sorry,
you-
dual cam is there, right? Because instead of wearing pant or shorts, it will be comfortable for girls. Because inside they will wear that inners. After above that they will wear this, so it will be more comfortable for them.
What are they trying to cover? However, the same length, no.
They are not trying to cover. Like that. Okay.
Simple logic, guys. Simple logic. What, man?
Western traditions, friends.
Instead, you can. Those shorts are better. Or men, women, everyone can wear that.
Yes.
More than enough, guys. You can.
So guys,
Even this
it's a new market actually, market strategy.
See, 790.
To be honest, let me be clear with you.
He is. Don't listen to this guy. He is very orthodox Buddhi Maga.
The inner which I wear is the same length of these shorts. To be honest,
Oh my god.
the inner I wear.
Compare with common people, friends. Don't.
So for me,
Feminists will slam their comments on.
Hey, play properly. Man. From that time, I'm playing properly.
my boxers are the same size of the shorts.
Yeah, that's true. Even same, mine is also. Hey, why are you showing my heart? Show my pure face to the. Oh my god.
You come after.
Hey, wait.
Yeah, we can leave, bro. I have to check the back section once more.
I don't know why today Sudanma is being the odd one out. I guess God only made us. Yeah, not blue pant and black shirt. Yes. But skin color little bit black as well.
Hey.
And it's not badminton.
You
Even if one piece happen, you know, continue there. That's the advantage. No, not like this. It should happen in
ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರ ನೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ.
ಏನು ಈ ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ 1300.
Hey, come on.
this and all best.
Come. So
Okay,
guys, this is not worth it, guys. Not at all worth it.
1300.
1300.
ಇದು
Wait, total best.
Not worth it, guys. Not
Give
worth it.
ಇದು
Golden Rule in Decathlon, okay. Don't buy merchandise at all. Buy equipment.
Stay, man.
Buy equipment.
Hey, clothes
Anta.
is also nice, but not all.
I'm telling you, most of it. I mean, if you are a noob, stay away from merchandise.
If you are?
If you are a noob in picking, stay away from merchandise. Don't get fooled.
yeah. This is nice advice actually.
When it comes to equipment,
Yeah.
see, you don't have any competitor here, okay? And they have very good.
Pricing is good. Quality is good.
Quality will come for years together. Some products have come for decades together.
Okay. You can buy.
We both have got a similar T-shirt. We went on multiple 6-7 trips. We wore it
very
rough.
Refuse.
Fucking.
Punta village there. So guys. Hey. So guys.
Yeah, okay. Let's leave. Hey, back section again. We are back. So now Mr. Vinith will do.
No, how to do this?
No.
I also don't know.
Hey, you try.
Dheeraj.
So our fairy tale, Mr. Dheeraj.
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು
Hey, try. ಹಿಂಗೆ try ಮಾಡು.
Sudanma. Sudanma needs more than that.
Come here, please.
Hey, try, man.
Back to you.
I think I need a small one.
Yeah, try.
Helmet.
No, you want medium.
Surya, I don't think your size is there.
Hey, this one is only more than enough for me.
Hey, no man. Oh, okay.
Hold.
So guys. Hey.
Being,
I
I
should-
feel very awkward doing all of these things.
Why awkward?
Hey, Ajib, this is
It's all.
ladies, Mr. Vinny.
Wait. Centrifugal force. Basic science. Am I right? This is centrifugal or centripetal?
Centrifugal.
Who
Centripetal, sir, correct. Yeah, guys, this is not our cup of tea. Tika muchkan come will go.
See, what we can do is.
Okay, come. Sudanma, we are back at the back section. So Mr. Sudanma likes these type of bags a lot.
I recognize
This is-
Sudanma by his bag.
No one in our college uses the bag.
No,
that
this
he
is
uses.
wrong. This stat is wrong, friend.
No.
There are 2 to 3 people I have only seen.
Who bring it on occasions, not every day.
That means that they use
So
it.
back then, this was costlier.
Hmm.
So I bought this. No, both same price.
You
Now
cannot
get
buy this. That's it.
No.
It is like his kacha, same color print kacha he was. That day I saw him.
Rupa Jan, no, your brand.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, don't tell lies, man.
This was my brand. So they not paid me.
ಬೇಕು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ
Wow.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. Okay guys, today is not the day for skating. Vlog is getting more than 1 hour.
Okay guys.
We'll wind up, come, we'll go. We'll bill it and we'll just get it wind up. Hey, come bro, come. Hey, come on bro, we'll leave. Hey, let's leave. Today is not the day.
Hey, take this part. Keep the world.
Hey,
Hey, where is the bottles?
It's in his bag.
inside.
Don't disclose your dirty
Hey,
strategies.
no, bro, not like that.
Come, guys, we'll go. Hey, go on.
Keep
Hey, go, man.
security tight.
Sudanma. Let's leave. Come, man. Dheeraj, we'll go. So, Dheeraj will be getting married in another 6-7 years.
No, he'll be having babies in 6-7 years.
No, man. Marry in 6. Marry. And then baby in 7 years.
Dheeraj will be marrying a little bit late, 56 years. So please wait until then.
Mr. Vinit did an uncle-like joke.
Yeah, guys.
So, this shows that his inner self is not a kid, but an uncle. Everyone says that don't let your inner child die. Vinit says don't let your inner uncle die. This is how Vinit leads his life. But he likes to be youthful even though he's an uncle.
No, guys, I have not endorsed any of these equations.
Hey, this is the truth, man. That's why you're not endorsed with these kind of equations. Hey, see, man, $4.99.
Hey, no, yeah.
This will also reduce. Price will reduce. Don't worry. So we got 2 belts, 2 water bottles, and 1 bag. Right? Kako.
I will pay you.
You sent 200 to me.
Whom? You.
Hey, you pay me later, I pay you.
That's why.
Hey, you are okay.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, this bottle you
Pay
pay.
you.
I
Yeah,
pay
you
it
pay.
also.
Studio.
Catch me if you can.
Catch me if you can. Huh?
You give card or no? Give card.
Hey, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
Thanks,
students who have fees due.
Thank you. That student to thank my
Hey, give man. Card.
Wait, catch me if you can. What? Why I should give that?
Hey, sorry, my card is in Gadi. Okay. Okay. I'll do with UPI. And I forgot that this is my secondary food. So guys, Slice. If Slice people are seeing, I am your biggest. Yeah.
Please show your UPI ID in the. Hey,
Yeah. Wait.
please scan out. Hey, wait, man.
I'll do afterwards. You send also, no problem.
Yeah. This is your 200 of Vinod.
Yeah.
Hey, don't show your alien face. 198, right?
Hey, 200 he sent. No, you sent 200.
2 rupees profit, middleman. SMS.
Obviously, always very satisfied.
So guys, job done.
So guys,
Shop done.
we got 2 new belts. One for me and one for Mr. Vaini. Hey, old
This
man.
is for Dheeraj's friend, Vinod. And Vinit's friend
Old man. One
is my teacher.
Collecting all types of bags from Digatha.
Yeah, so I would like to congratulate everyone. Please thank me also. Wonderful man. Thank you. Guys, we are checking out from. We are checking out.
So guys, uncle has belief on us because we have been a regular customer
So it
client.
is responsibility of Dheeraj to deliver the bottle to Guruji, which here.
Oh, okay.
So
Please
this
check
time
your bag
I have
before
taken a
touching.
green bottle.
Guruji.
Mr.
knows
Gandu
you had
Guruji.
What if the bottle is found today again? Then you will give return this and take. You have to
No,
purchase for.
I
12
will
rupees.
pay 100 rupees for it.
You cannot refund from here. You have to take the.
I will give him 100 rupees and take that
Oh,
bottle.
okay,
That's it.
ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಲೆ ಕಳ್ದಾಕಿದ್ನ ನಿನ್ನೆ
Yeah.
ಹೊಸದು ಕಳ್ದಾಕೇನು ಹಳೇದು ಕಳ್ದಾಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ.
Very good guy.
ಸೂಪರ್
So I guess this is the end of the vlog.
Yeah.
Happy day.
Have a
We'll
nice
catch
day.
up tomorrow again.
Life
Bye,
is beautiful.
fuckers.
Love all.
Bye.